very strong and fit and really needs that extra resistance in the water to give them that high level workout.
You don't get that 0 to 400 pounds of pressure from any other workout thing. It doesn't exist.
So the Hydroshredders, they come in pairs, and you can use them like anything else that you're used to in a dry land environment. You can do the same thing in the water. We did actually open up and really amplify that inner cavity to allow you to use it one in each hand or use both hands on one of the products.
If I pull it really slowly through the water, I'm only gonna put 10 pounds at most of pressure on my body. If I'm more physically able, the faster I pull it, the more it pushes back. So it's an accessible object, and then you can get into just a full hardcore crazy workout.
Anyone who thinks that aquatic fitness isn't challenging enough, I would give them the Hydroshredders and say, try these because they'll work you.